Go Carpet Cleaning, Roswell, Georgia. Looking for a carpet cleaning company that is equally concerned with your health and cleanliness of your carpets? Go Carpet Cleaning is the only company you need. Your carpets will look and smell brand new thanks to the meticulous attention to detail provided by our specialists. We specialize in cleaning carpets in homes and offices, exclusively using natural, eco-friendly products that are completely safe for your loved ones and pets. About our carpet cleaning services in Roswell. We guarantee customer satisfaction on every job. We want to make sure that they are completely satisfied with the carpet cleaning services we provide. As one of the top carpet cleaning companies in Roswell, we are committed to removing stains and bacteria, using safe and environmentally friendly methods. Whether you require office or residential services, our team has got your back. When you contact our carpet cleaning service, our trained specialists are experts in hot water extraction, steam cleaning, a cleaning technique that thoroughly removes stains, by cleaning your carpet's fibers in a safe manner without using any harsh chemicals. Schedule Carpet Cleaning Roswell today. Call us for a complimentary consultation, and to discuss our affordable prices on carpet cleaning in Roswell or the surrounding locations, including Johns Creek and Sewanee. Call today. Schedule Go Carpet Cleaning for carpet cleaning in Roswell, Georgia. Call 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website, www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Roswell-GA.